Today, I'm checking out this Capo guitar pick gift set from Domi. Comes in this nice little gift box. Inside, you have a thank you note from Domi themselves. You have the Capo, and you have a little pick holder. Let me get that out so you can take a good look at it. So here's the Capo. I'm gonna give that a test here in just a minute. Comes with this cool little guitar shaped pick holder. And just let's see how this opens. Top just comes off like so. Okay, it goes like this. All right, and then it says pick you on the inside, which is kind of cute. Comes with a few different picks. They have all these rock and wood grain pattern picks that are really cool. There's 3 1mm thick, and I think there are 0.71 millimeters thick, a little bit thinner picks. All right, so we'll put those back in here. But that's a pretty cool little pick holder. One of the cool things about this Capo is it does have a pick holder in it, so you can put your spare pick right there, and it's in your Capo. So if you drop your pick while you're playing, you can just grab this one out and you're good to go. Or it's just a place to store it while you're not using your pick. All right, Capo, what is it and why? So, when you're playing the guitar, G, C, and D is a very common pattern. It's an easy pattern to use. It's probably one of the most used patterns on the guitar itself. But part of the problem sometimes with that is, you have somebody that sings in that G, C, and D range, but then somebody else wants to sing the song and maybe they sing a little bit higher and that's too low for them, so you need to change the key to the song. Enter the Capo. Now, by dropping the Capo here, I move from the key of, actually Capo here, I'm moving the song up from G up to A. So you see where that comes in handy by able to move that up and down the fretboard. I might want to do is I might want to play something really cool up here like this. But it gets really tiring on your hand having to hold that bar chord the whole time. So instead, we can throw this Capo on. We can get that same effect, but now that's me just goofing around, a little sloppy, but you get the point of the Capo. It's a really good tool to open up more capabilities of what you can play on the guitar. So, my opinion on this Capo and pick set, it's a good beginner set. It's a great gift for a beginning guitarist who could use a Capo. Every guitarist needs to learn how to use one of these because it will definitely make their life easier and, like I said, open up more possibilities to them.